Hello, I'll be taking you on mathematics, and the topic we'll be looking into today is division using shifting method. Let's look into the examples we have on the board. Number 1, we have 5 divided by 100. Using shifting method, we start from the back and move to our left depending on how many numbers of 0 we have. We have 2 numbers of 0 in 100, so shift 2 times 1, 2. You put your decimal point, replace here with 0 and add 0 to the front. So we have 0.05 as our answer. Number 2, 67 divided by 100. We start from the back and shift 2 times. 1, 2, put point, add your 0. We have 0.67. Number 3, 20 divided by 100. You start from the back and shift 2 times. 1, 2. Have your 0.20. You can actually cancel these 2 and you have 0.2. Number 4, we have 39 divided by 100. You shift 2 times. 1, 2. Replace here with 0. We have 0.39. Number 5, we have 673 divided by 1000. We shift 3 times from the back. 1, 2, 3. Add 0. We have 0.673 as our answer. Number 6, 450 divided by 1000. We shift from the back. 1, 2, 3. Add 0. We have 0.450, which can actually cancel the 0, and we have 0.45 as our answer. Number 7, 345 divided by 1000. We shift 3 times from the back. 1, 2, 3. Add 0. We have 0.345. Answer.